guys. Okay, so a couple of weeks ago, I did a little announcement that I would be doing, or that I had a weekly tasting wine box, and the weekly tastings have been coming with recipes on the back, so I thought that Colin and I would do an accompanying recipe with a weekly tasting wine, and we are going to use Klove Chef to do it.
Oh my God.
So if you haven't seen our last cooking video, we used Klove Chef, which is an Alexa app. Allison app. She's listening.
Yeah, always listening.
And we are also going to be using some meat from Butcher Box, which I haven't really reviewed. I got it for Colin for Father's Day, so we've been slowly moving through our Butcher Box of delicious, fantastic, grass-fed, humanely raised animals that we eat.
Damn, girl.
I know.
All right, well, let's start with the wine.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
So this wine is from Lake County, a region known for its high elevations. These high altitude vineyards yield a lighter body and higher acidity in Sauvignon Blanc than other regions in California. The aroma: ripe fresh fig, honeydew melon, ripe Meyer lemon, hints of floral and grassy notes.
Whoa. Sure.
Sounds good.
All right.
It's a bit sweeter than I thought it was going to be.
It is a bit sweeter. It's not bad. I like it. Yeah, it's definitely a bit sweeter. All right, one review down.
All right.
Woohoo!
Okay.
We got like 5 things to review here. I'm surprised that we don't have another induction cooker or a new pan.
Oh, we're getting one. Okay, so the wine is good. Let's go ahead and make us some pork.
All right, let's do it.
Alexa, open Klove Chef.
Hey, let's make something awesome together. What would you like to prepare today?
Pork tenderloin with apples and shallots.
Okay, pork tenderloin with apples and shallots provided by Weekly Tasting. Shall we get started?
Yes.
Awesome. We have 11 ingredients for this recipe. Let's start by making sure we have all the ingredients. We need 2 pounds of pork loin, 3 large cooking apples, half cup of apple juice. Next we need 1 cup of chicken stock, 1 tablespoon of flour, 3 tablespoons of butter. You'll need 4 shallots, 1 sprig of rosemary, lemon juice.
Also in there?
Lemon juice.
Did you just make that up?
I think she just made that up. It's not on there. I did my shopping based on the...
Yeah, it's literally not on here.
The heck, dude? Okay. All right, Alexa, what's next?
Let's get started with the first step. In addition to the list of ingredients, please gather 1 large pot, meat thermometer, apple corer, a chef's knife, and a cutting board. First we will prepare a few ingredients. Be sure to keep all ingredients aside separately. Grab the 4 shallots and slice them thin. Next, take the 3 apples and remove the core.
So you just cut them like this and then cut out the core like that?
No. Okay, here's my magical way of cutting an apple. You watched all these, right? Okay,
Yes.
I basically just cut the core in a square. So I cut both sides off, and then I lay it down, and I can see where the core is, and I cut the sides off so that I have a square core.
Magic.
And then these I can just slice thinly, and then it's nice and easy. It's got a flat side. It's not.
I love it.
It's the easiest way to do it.
It's my favorite. Wait, no, she just said core the apple, right? She didn't say slice it up.
Oh, ask her what's next.
Alexa, what's next?
Chef's tip: to avoid the apple from browning, keep it coated with an acidic juice such as lemon, orange, or pineapple juice.
That's why she wanted a lemon.
Or use a ceramic knife.
Yeah.
Ceramic knives used to be hella expensive and now they are dirt cheap.
Oh, my eyes are watering so badly.
You always get stuck doing the onion.
You want to do it?
Well, no, but I'm just saying. Alright, well we have our mountain of apples.
Alright.
Mountain of half of the amount of shallots. It's a lot of shallots.
That's still a lot of shallots.
Alexa, open Klove Chef.
Welcome back. Pork tenderloin with apples and shallots recipe is in progress. Let us continue from where we left off. Now, cut 2 pounds of pork loin into half-inch thick chops.
They're basically already cut because...
Are they?
Yeah.
Really excited about this pork.
Me too.
These are more than half an inch. Half an inch is like half of this.
Well, we'll just have to cook it a little bit longer.
Okay, that's fine. Do you want to throw some seasoning and then I'll flip them up?
Add 3 tablespoons butter to the heated pan. Next, we'll add in a few ingredients to the pan. Add the sliced apple,
Alright, let's do
the
it.
rosemary sprig, and finally the shallots. Cook until the shallots are softened.
I don't know if this is all going to fit in this
I'm
pan.
telling you, it's not. This is an insane amount of apples.
This is a very large recipe. How many does it say it serves?
14. Go for it. Pork.
Okay, that is half the amount of shallots, by the way. Ridiculous.
Now, remove the apples and shallots from the can and reserve.
Okay, so we'll cook this until...
Let me get a big bowl. So these are gonna go over here?
Yeah.
All right.
Pretty soft.
They're very soft. All right, and let's throw these babies in for about 4 minutes on a side, maybe a little bit longer.
Probably a little bit longer.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, there we go.
Now, add flour to the pan drippings.
Yeah.
Cook it to lightly golden brown. Next, add half cup of the apple juice and deglaze.
Yeah, anytime you're ready, we're good.
Okay. Apple juice.
Once it's smooth, add 1 cup of stock. Simmer until thickened.
All right, go for it.
There you go.
All right, so let's salt and pepper it up
No idea how salty it is.
to taste. I'm not tasting that.
Yeah.
That's tasty. It's very sweet. But I think
Well,
these
yeah,
things will change it a lot. Yeah, maybe a little bit more pepper. Okay, there you go. All right.
I like pepper.
I know, both of us have to eat this though. You can put more pepper on your...
Okay, let's do this. That's it.
All right, so we've salted and peppered to taste. Let's pour all these guys back in. It's set until apples were soft. And then that's it. We just,
And then we plate it.
we plate it. So you wanna grab a couple plates?
Yeah.
I like this a lot more than, because what I used to have, right, is the standard pork chops and just whatever the cheapest Vaughn's applesauce was,
Yeah,
which
totally.
I love because Vaughn's applesauce is just sugar, right? Or at least it was in the 80s when I was
Right.
young, right? So it was just pouring sugar on top of it, because pork was always a little bit boring.
Serve the pork with the apples on the side and liberally sauce over the pork.
All right, let's do it.
Okay.
Which pork loin goes in you with?
I'll take that one.
This guy?
Yeah.
Okay. Or you can pour mine over the top of it. There you go. Boom.
Doing this so messy. Totally failing my plating portion. Of
No, that's good, that's good. Can I get, yeah, just pour some sauce in there. You pour some sauce on mine too?
Do
Yeah.
you want to proceed now?
Yes. Although I don't know what there is to proceed, but
Your pork tenderloin with apples and shallots is ready.
it's such a
It was
mess.
great cooking with you. Please
great
check
cooking
out our
with
new
you, too.
flash briefing for daily chef tips.
Nice. Oh,
Cool.
I want daily chef tips.
Right? I gotta taste it with the wine.
Oh my God, you're right. All right.
Do you need a little top off?
I do.
I'm so excited about this.
Pork looks really good.
Shallots and some apple.
That is really good.
Yeah?
Yeah, that pork is amazingly good.
Oh my gosh, it's so tender.
Right?
Mmm.
Yeah, I think because I've always had kind of cheap pork, I didn't really understand what good pork was supposed to taste like.
Mmm.
This is really good pork.
Oh my gosh, that's so good. Okay, now with the wine.
Yeah, that's great. I'm super happy about that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
now
that worked out well.
With the sweet pork,
Right?
you get more of those grassy notes and stuff,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
It just balances everything out really nicely.
Yeah, recipe's great, wine's good, everything about this. Klove Chef came through again.
I know, that was awesome. And this recipe was simple. It took a while,
Right.
but it wasn't difficult to make, and there weren't a bunch of crazy ingredients or anything. So
Yeah, I
you know,
think the steps worked very well for what Klove Chef was trying to accomplish. Just a
Right.
nice straight through.
there was no meanwhile, do 14 other things.
Yeah, that worked out really well. Yeah, everything about this was great. Yeah,
Yeah,
nice and
this was
easy and
awesome.
fun. So
I love it. Okay, so if you want to see more of the weekly tasting wine pairing meals, just let us know in the comments. We'll try to use more Klove Chef and all that good stuff, more butcher box meats.
yeah, definitely.
All right, well, I will leave all of the links to everything in the description box, so make sure that you check that out if you are interested in any of this stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with us while we cook and drink, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!